Hello, welcome to LeadMaster. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use email marketing. To begin, you may click on the Campaigns menu, then Email Campaigns, or you may simply select Email Campaigns directly from the drop-down menu. From here, you have the option to launch an email campaign, add an email message template, manage email message templates, report on email campaigns, or manage bounced email addresses. This page also shows you the results of your email campaigns. The default is last week. You can also look at the last 24 hours, 2 weeks, 4 weeks, and all email campaigns. There are a few steps to creating and launching an email campaign in LeadMaster. Let's go through them briefly. The first is to enter a name for your email campaign. Next, decide who you will send it to. You can search the system for either contacts or companies. Clicking Select Contacts opens up the search engine. Enter your search criteria and click Search. If you've made a mistake, you can delete the criteria you have selected, and you can also have more than one criteria. If you search by company or record, you can include all of the contacts of that company. Then decide what time you want the email to be sent. It can either be sent immediately, or you have the option to select the sending time. The next step is to decide if you want to send an existing email template or create your own. Let's select a pre-existing email template. There are 3 sections of email templates here. My email message templates are for my personal use, and I'm the only person who can see them. Group email templates are for everyone who has access to my database. Global email templates are available for everyone who has access to the system. Email templates are covered in greater detail in a separate help tutorial. Let's select a global email message template. We have received a message that tells us our template has been loaded. Even though we can see this will be sent to multiple email addresses, the messages will be sent separately and no one will see anyone else's email address. Enter your from name. If you've verified more than one email address, you can select which one you would like this email to come from. You can merge fields in the subject as well as in the body of the email. Here's how this works. Let's erase the existing title and enter some merge fields. There are a variety of categories that contain merge fields you can insert to personalize emails. Let's select the contact category. Here are the available fields. Let's choose first name. When this email is sent, the contact's first name will be inserted in place of the merge field. For the format, you may choose HTML or plain text. HTML allows you to insert images, videos, graphics, etc., whereas plain text features only text. The next merge field section is for the body of the newsletter, and it works the same way as the subject. You can also insert a custom form. You can now preview this message, and as you can see, we have logos, banners, and multiple columns. This is a full HTML editor, which allows you to make professional-looking email templates. The next step is to sign your email. The next step is optional. You can send yourself a test message, which is always a good idea so you can see how your email appears when it arrives in someone's inbox. Finally, the last step is to send it. If you would like a copy of this message attached to each contact, all you have to do is select the checkbox here, and the email will be logged in each contact record. click Send. The system will warn you that you are about to send multiple emails. To proceed, click OK. And your emails have been sent. They now show up on your email message campaigns page with the name of the campaign, the time it was sent, the date it was sent, the number that were sent, and the number that were opened. If you click on the name of the email campaign, it will take you to the report on that campaign. You can also view the emails that have been sent by clicking the magnifying glass, and you can delete the entire email campaign. This concludes the tutorial on email campaigns. Thanks for watching.